Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, hassle-free way to add a size chart to your Shopify store without touching any code or installing extra apps. If you've ever worried about customers buying the wrong size or returning items because sizing was unclear, then this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll have a clear, clickable size chart right on your product pages, making shopping smoother and giving your customers confidence. Let's get right into it. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is your main dashboard, the nerve center where you manage everything in your store. If you're not already logged in, pop in your credentials. Once you're in, look for the panel on the left. Here, you'll see an option called Online Shop. Go ahead and click it. This is where you control the look and feel of your website, and it's our gateway to making changes that your customers will see. Under Online Shop, you'll find Themes. Your theme is basically the outfit your store wears, so it's crucial to work here if you want to tweak what visitors will interact with. Find the theme you're currently using. It should be marked as Current Theme. Click on the Customize button. This will open up Shopify's theme editor. Think of this place as your creative studio, where you get to sculpt how everything appears, without needing any design or coding know-how. Now, at the top of the theme editor, you'll see a navigation bar. By default, it often shows Home, since that's the main page. But we want to add the size chart to your product pages, where customers actually make their buying decisions. Click on Home, and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Products. This takes us straight to all things product-related. Next, click on Default Product. If you've set up custom product templates before, you can choose those, but for most stores, default product means we're affecting the standard look of your product pages. Take a look to the right side of the editor. This section shows all the blocks and sections currently visible on your product pages. Here's where you'll actually add your size chart. You'll see a button or link called Add Section. Click this. Now, Shopify gives you a neat shortcut. Instead of building the section from scratch, click Generate. This handy feature lets Shopify create a new section for you in just seconds. When prompted, type size chart. That's our focus. You're telling Shopify exactly what type of section you want. Take a breath here. Sometimes it can take a few moments for Shopify to generate and add this new section to your product template, especially depending on your internet connection or how busy the server is. Don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Just give it a moment to finish up. Once it's done, voila! Your size chart is now a part of your product page. You can edit the content, adjust the layout, or drag the section to position it where you want, maybe right next to the Add to Cart button, so it's easy for shoppers to find. The beauty of this method is you didn't need to mess with any code, nor did you install another app that might slow down your site or cost extra money. And that's it. You've just empowered your customers to shop with confidence, reduced the chance of returns, and made your store that much more user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you run into any issues or have questions about customizing further, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more practical zero-code Shopify tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store.